Alright, welcome again to another video from Mastering QuickBooks Online. In today's video we're going to cover invoicing and sales receipts. You'll notice that's on the money inside your graphic here. So to start out with, there's a couple different ways you can get to your invoicing. The first one you notice right here, there obviously is an invoice link on the graphic on the home page. Also, we're going to go underneath the customer drop down menu or client, depending on what you have in there. You notice right here it says create invoice. Once that screen opens up, this will start us into our invoice or our create invoices screen. You notice on the top left, create invoice. Our recent button up here, which gives you a list of 5 or 6 recent invoices, or you can go to all. It'll give you a whole report of your recent invoices. We're going to create a new one, so we'll go down here and select the customer. We want to use, let's see, we'll use Bob as our customer. And as soon as you select the customer, it will fill in the bill to information, your invoice date. If you have customized numbers in your invoice, it will go in there. Your terms that you can edit. We'll also go down here to enter a product or service. Now, if this is your first product or service or your first invoice, what we're going to do is we're actually going to add a new product or service. So we'll click on Add New. It opens up our item information page. Okay, at this point we're going to have a name for a product and service, so let's call this New Product 1. Okay, description will just be a description, and you can put whatever you'd like in here. Again, this, you don't have to have a description, you can add that to each time. Rate or price, we'll say this is $25. And the income account we want to associate with a product or service. So in this case we want to do, let's try service school rental. Yeah, we'll say this is coming off of rent income. Okay. The product is taxable. Now, you notice information here, which we'll cover in a later video, talks about your purchasing information, and also down below is you're tracking your quality or your quantity on hand for inventory items. At this time, we're not going to cover that, so we'll leave that blank, and that'll be a video in the near future that you can get that has quantity on hand as well as purchasing information. All right. So you notice this fills in for us there. You'll notice a class tracking in here and the business or location tracking above. We'll cover that again on a later video also. Down below here you'll notice we've set up a subtotal. It has a discount area, the tax area if the customer is taxable. Here's a customer message. So it looks like that's everything we need. Let's go down just a little further. This has a to be printed and a to be sent. So let's say we also want to email this out to our client. So let's put in here Shannon. Alright, and we'll send that. So this will cause us to be sent at the same time we save it, so we'll click on Save. Alrighty, and that's all there is to creating your first invoice.